Start germinating butterfly flower seeds in spring. The outer coating of the seeds is very hard, so it is difficult for moisture to penetrate inside. That makes germination process very slow. It is therefore beneficial to lightly scrap their outer coating on a sandpaper to make them thinner to absorb water efficiently. Scraping the seeds will speed up the germination process. Then soak the seeds in lukewarm water for 24 hours. Discard any floating seeds. They are hollow and not good for germination. Though you can directly plant the seeds in soil, it is better to first germinate seeds in a paper towel and then plant the germinated seeds. This way there are no chances of failure. Take a box and place a kitchen paper towel in it. You can use a layer of tissue papers or newspaper in place of kitchen paper. Place the seeds on the paper. Fold the paper and spray water lightly on the paper. Cover the box and place it in shade, a dark place at a warm place. Maintain temperature ideally between 25 and 32 degrees Celsius for germination. If temperature is lower than 15 degrees Celsius, the seeds may not germinate, or they will germinate very slowly, taking several weeks or even fail to germinate. After 3 days, 2 seeds germinated. The other seeds are swollen and will take more time to sprout. This is the close-up of a germinated seed. Now I will plant this seed in soil. Take a pot having many holes at its bottom to drain excess water. Fill the pot with free-draining, nutrition-rich soil. Mix river sand in soil to make it free-draining and add compost or cow manure to make it rich in nutrients. Plant the sprouted seed about ½ centimeter below the soil. Water the soil and place the plant in shade at a warm place. Keep soil moist at all times. Too much water standing in soil may rot the seed. Because the seed is already sprouted, so this will definitely grow into a plant, so no chances of failure. Seedling will emerge in 3 to 5 days. Once the seeds are germinated, ensure that they are not exposed to temperature below 10 degrees Celsius. Put the pot in full sun after 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos, and also hit the bell icon to get it informed when I post new videos. Thanks for watching.